Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can manage App Permission Manager on this device. Start by opening Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then you need to click on Advanced, scroll down, choose Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like Location. Then select one of your apps, like for example Maps, and pick one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with Allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that Maps just gained access to this device location, but you can also just tap on one of your apps, select See all Maps permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!